Hello, this is Sam Garcia again. We have a demo job here in the city. We've got a few things to take out and put back together. Floor and so forth. And here's the kitchen of this unit. This is also getting remodeled. A few things to redo here. The demo phase has been completed. The rebuilding has begun. And here's the granite countertop we're going to cut and put over in the kitchen. This project is coming to an end. We got the bathroom walls and floors redone. Here's the kitchen. We still need a refrigerator and a range, but there is a completed unit functioning. This is Sam Garcia, 510-326-6610.